You see this? I got this kind of length. I'm all the way over here. Charger's over there in the wall. That's hella dope. Look how long that is. I'm sitting right here, y'all. That's up. And that I like this cable. Man, that motherfucker. This cable long as hell. 4 foot. That's what's up. I'm sitting all over here by the door, by the closet, across from the closet. This thing really long, all the way over there. To her. That's a nice little minute. That's a good link. Hey. I ain't gonna wait to the door. I ain't gonna wait to the door. Alright, that's how far I get the cable. I can go all the way right here with it if I want to. This is probably my limit right here at the max without pulling it out right here. It's the max that I can get right here. That way, and then you got this way. I can actually take this cable all the way up, lift up over the table, lay it down and lay it right there, you know, and stay connected. See? Stay connected, y'all. Stay connected. Hold on, let me flip this around. See? Pretty shit. That's a long ass cable there. That's a nice ass little cable. All the way over there in the wall.